I am literally shook, you guys. This is a new Morphe 39S palette I'm gonna play around with today. This should have been called Barbie. Like, this palette is just so beautiful. It reminds me of like so girly, so Barbie, like prom night. I love it. It's called Such a Gem, and it is such a gem. I did do this tutorial for you guys, but first I'm going to swatch some of the colors so you can see what it looks like on my arm. The middle row is to die for, and some of these other colors are just so beautiful. So let's swatch like, I don't know, 10 different colors. It does come with the names of the shades. I'm going to swatch Here For It, which is this shade right here first. This one. Right here. Do you guys see? Do you see that? Like, oh my gosh. Okay, so let's try this one. I actually didn't swatch this one yet. It's called Strike a Pose. Oh my gosh, the color is crazy. The pigment, it feels so beautiful. All right, so we're gonna try this one here called Catch the Light. It's like a champagne color. Wow. So gorgeous, you guys. Oh my gosh. All right, then we're gonna try, let's try this color here called Total Goals. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Total Goals. Ooh, she's pretty. I didn't swatch this properly. So pretty. Do you see how beautiful these colors are? I'm gonna swatch, I want to also swatch this color down here just because it looks really fun, and it's called Pure Luxe. Wow, I feel like this color you might need to kind of just press it instead of swatching. That's a press, and if I swatch it, oh, it actually does kind of work. So beautiful. This color would be so beautiful over another shadow, just like, girl, I want to do a look with this so badly. Then I'm gonna try this one right here. Oh my gosh, all of these colors are just so beautiful. I feel like these two paired together would be iconic. Like, love it. All right, and let's do some matte shades. I did try this one today and really liked it, so I'll show you guys what that looks like. This is the swatch. So rich, you guys. And then we're gonna try this one. I like all the bright colors. Oh my gosh. Let's just go down here, I guess. Let's try this one. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Periwinkle. So these are just some of the swatches. I try to do some matte, some shimmer, some sheen, so you guys can see what different textures look like, and they all look so amazing. Love it. This palette is definitely something that I'm gonna use a lot. It's gonna be my baby. If you want to see how I got this look, however, just keep on watching. This palette just screams my name. Obsessed with all these colors. Like, these are my favorite colors to work with. So I'm so excited to show you guys some looks with this palette. Yes. So the first color I'm using is called Very Good, and we're just gonna pack that into my crease. This is so pretty. I feel like this is blending out really well. I'm using Make It Rain. I make it rain. I'm using some more pink, and I'm gonna just blend this together. So we're gonna use here for it because we are definitely here for all of it. Okay. So we're gonna put that on my lid. This color is beautiful. This shadow is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this shadow is definitely it. Like, I don't think I ever seen a formula like this from Morphe, and I am here for it. I'm gonna take some of Total Gold, which is like a purpley shade, but also in the middle section of the palette, and I'm gonna just add some here. So I'm taking some of Bougie and I'm gonna put that right down here. So we're gonna make it rain one more time and pop that right under here. Alright guys, so I'm back with my lashes on. These are Lily lashes in the style Hollywood, one of my favorites. So I'm going to use Mocha Mommy from Fenty to bronze my face. It's a really hot summer, you know, it's a hot girl summer. I'm going to use Bella from Juvia's Place for blush. You guys, I cannot wait. I literally cannot wait for those foundations to drop because I am ready. I'm so ready for these foundations, you guys. Like, so ready. Gonna use some of Blinded Haters. So for my lips, I'm gonna first line them with this ColourPop Makeup Shayla pencil in the shade BFF4. Yep. So for lipstick, we're going to take it back to MAC with Spirit. This is one of MAC's lipsticks that I used to love. I found it recently and I was like, oh my gosh, I miss you, girl. And then for gloss, I'm going to use Dose of Colors, One and Only. This is from the Mickey Mouse collection. Love it. So this is the final completed Barbie-esque look. I definitely love this palette, and one more time for this palette, which I absolutely love these colors, you guys. Like, love them. They're so perfect. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'll see you guys in my next video.